Number 6 says to find ST, so we're looking for the length of each of ST, if S is between R and T. So first let's draw a representation of that. We want to find ST if S is between R and T. So S is in between R and T. It says SR is 2x plus 7, so SR is 2x plus 7, and ST is x minus 6, and then the length of the whole segment RT, so from here to here, is 100. The segment addition postulate says if you take part of the segment RS and add it to the other part of the segment ST, you get the whole segment 100, or RT. So let's use numbers so it looks a little bit more clear here. Let's just say this RS was 5 and ST was 10. Then the whole length of this segment would be RS plus ST, which would be 5 plus 10, which is RT, so that's 15. But we don't have numbers to deal with, but the same concept applies, we just utilize it algebraically. So we're going to substitute our value for RS, which is 2x plus 7, plus ST, and ST is x minus 6, and that equals the whole length RT, which is 100. We're going to combine our like terms, 2x and x, which is 3x, a positive 7 and a negative 6, which is positive 1, and that'll equal 100. We'd subtract 1 from both sides, and we get 3x equals 99. Divide by 3 on both sides, so we get x equals 33. To complete our problem, we're looking for ST, so we need to substitute our x value, 33, back in for ST. So we take 33 minus 6, and that'll give us ST. Number 7. If GD bisects angle CGE. Well, let's start by marking that on our picture. Here's angle CGE. It says that GD bisects it. So GD comes around and bisects this angle. So what we need to do to show that is make arcs at angle EGD and angle CGD to show that they're congruent. Which angle is congruent to angle CGD? So here's angle CGD. Before I look at my answer choices, I'm going to figure out which angle is congruent to CGD by using some of my angle properties. And what I notice is that vertical to CGD is angle 1. And I know that vertical angles formed by two intersecting lines are congruent. So the angle that represents vertical to CGD is angle 1. Also, it says, since we bisected this angle, CGD is also congruent to DGE because we marked that they were congruent. So we are looking for one of these two answer choices to figure out which angle is congruent. So angle 1 is FGA. Well, FGA is here. This angle is congruent. EGD is also congruent. So there's actually going to be two answer choices for this one. Number 8, this one is just a definition, and it says if two angles form a linear pair, then they are supplementary. So if you have a linear pair, two angles that form a straight line, they have a sum of 180 degrees.